wrong with you? Can you just be reasonable for once? Look at me, you are snoring. This man is a vagabond. You're a vagabond. You're a vagabond.
I'm sorry,
What's happen now? Mark sleep now.
You go do me, they go.
Time don't go now by this time.
You go do me, they go. You don't allow me sleep for my house. You know how much I rent this house. No, I'm not tell about this bed. What's wrong with you?
But you don't come around and say can't sleep now. I'm going to stop you.
I just snore. I just snore. Look at how you're snoring.
Jesus.
Hopeless you. Jesus. That will not get food and I dey sleep like this. Can you just stand up? Eat your vagabond media. Leave my house.
You will not be so now. Midnight today now.
Oh yeah, just stay here, but make you not sleep. That week, because if you that week, you no go snore. If you that week, you no go snore. Just that week.
I know they do you like this, so why can't they do me like this?
You know they sleep now. You dey snore. What's wrong with you? Not sleep. Just speak with that thing.